Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain about test of divisibility. What is the use of learning test of divisibility rules? Here we can understand whether the number is divisible by given number or not. For example, when you are doing calculations or when you are doing cancellations, we see that the table is possible in both numerator and denominator for cancellation now. So in case of that, we must have an idea whether the table is possible to cancel in both numerator and denominator. Such type of ideas will get when you know these rules. And also, without actual division, we can understand whether the number is divisible by given numbers or not. For that, we have to learn test of divisibility rules. Now, I am going to explain one by one. First, divisibility rule for 2. Here see, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit means what? Any number last digit means what? That is 1's plus digit. Even or 0. Even or 0. If you see these examples, here see this example 4324, 2866. Some examples are given here. A last digit means 1's plus digit. Even number or 0. Then that number is divisible by 2 exactly. Without any remainder, exactly divides. If the last digit is even or 0. Here this is even now. You know even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, all multiples of 2 are even numbers only now. So here 4 is even number. Here last digit is 6 is even number. 0, even 0 also, in case 0 also there, that divisible by 2 I said no in the rule. If the last digit is even number or 0, here this problem say, this example say, last digit is not even, but it is 0. If 0 also divisible by 2. As per condition, last digit may be even number or 0, then those numbers are divisible by 2. We can understand these numbers are divisible by 2 without doing division, actual division. We can say possibility or not. Possible by division. Division is possible or not by 2. Yes, we can say this is possible, this is possible, this is possible, this is possible. Why? Last numbers are even numbers. Here in case this last digit is 0. So by this we can say, by seeing these numbers, we can say these numbers are divisible by 2 directly. Without actual division, we can say directly. Now, another rule for 3. Divisibility rule for 3. See, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits divisible by 3. Here, given 3, 3, 6, 9. We cannot say directly like this. We cannot say directly by seeing this number. We have to do something. What to do? Find the addition of digits. Find the addition of digits. Sum of digits. 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. Yes. The sum is divisible by 3. If the sum is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Add once again. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. Yes. The sum. What is the sum here? 21. The 21 is divisible by 3, no? Yes, 21. 3, 7 is 21. So, 21 is divisible by 3. So, that is why we can say given number is divisible by 3 directly. So, similarly, next number 8, 7, 9. Add digits. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. Yeah, 24 is divisible by 3 because 3 8 is 24 now. So, 24 is, the sum is 24. The sum is divisible by 3. So then 879 is divisible by 3, you can say directly without doing division. Yes, next number 2181. So 2 plus 1, add the digits. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Yes, 12 also divisible by 3. The sum is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then given number is divisible by 3. We can say that given number is divisible by 3. What to do once again? Add the digits. You will get sum. The sum must be divisible by 3. Then only given number is divisible by 3. Add the digits in the given number. Add all the digits in the given number. You will get sum. That sum must be divisible by 3. Then only we can say given number is divisible by 3. See, if you do all these examples, these all numbers are divisible by 3 exactly. Why? After adding, the sums are divisible by 3. So we can say the numbers also divisible by 3. Next rule for 4. Divisibility rule for 4. What is C? A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its rightmost 2 digits, means last 2 digits number, divisible by 4, or 2 zeros also. Even in case 2 zeros also divisible by 4. Here see, last 2 digits number formed by last 2 digits, see, rightmost 2 digits means last 2 digits. Last 2 digits, any number, whatever the big number you can take, no problem. But by seeing last 2 digits, we can say it is divisible by 2 or it is divisible by 4 or not. How? See, last 2 digits number is 8. So 8 is divisible by 4. So then we can say 4 not 8 is divisible by 4 directly. Without doing division, we can say directly by seeing last 2 digits, we can say divisible by 4 or not. Here 316 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. Look at last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digits? Rightmost 2 digits. What? 16. The 16 is divisible by 4 now. Last 2 digits number 16 is divisible by 4. Then automatically what will happen? 316 also divisible by 4. We can say 316 divisible by 4 directly. We can say without doing division. We can say it is divisible by 4. We can say now 824. Last 2 digits number what? 24. 24 divides by 4. Why? 4 6 are 24 now? Yes, exactly. Then 824 also divisible by 4. By seeing last 2 digits, we can say the total number is divisible by 4. Whatever the big number, we can say no need to do division. Without doing division only, we can say it is divisible by 4 or not. If it is last 2 digits number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. One more rule is there. Last 2 digits zeros, 2 zeros are also, it is 4 divisible by 4. In case last 2 digits, if 2 zeros also divisible by 4, if 2 zeros also divisible by 4, or else last 2 digits number divisible by 4, then total number is divisible by 4. Without doing division, we can say the total number is divisible by 4. Here see 9328, 9328. Can you say this is divisible by 4 or not? No need to divide all this big number. So just by seeing last 2 digits, we can say it divisible by 4 or not. Yes, last 2 digits what? 0 0 there, we can do. We can say it is divisible by 4. But here not 0 0, here 2 8 there. Yes, even last two digits number is 28 now. 28 also divisible by 4. So then we can say it is 9328 is divisible by 4. By seeing last 2 digits, we can say it is this given number is total number is divisible by 4. So this is the way. Again I am repeating condition. If the number is divisible by 4, if the number formed by its rightmost 2 digits is divisible by 4. Here rightmost 2 digits means last 2 digits. Last 2 digits formed number with last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Then total number is divisible by 4. Here see 408. In that last 2 is 8, in this 316 last 2 is 16, in this 824 last 2 is 24, here in this 9328 last 2 is 28. Whatever the number you take, whatever the number is given, no need to think about the number, big number or small number. By seeing last 2 digits, we can say it is divisible by 4 or not. If the last 2 digits number is divisible by 4, then automatically the total given number is divisible by 4. In case, one more condition also I said, if the last 2 zeros are there, rightmost 2 zeros are there, last 2 zeros are there, also divisible by 4. another rule is there but not given here. But in case last two zeros also divisible by 4, not given in textbook, but I am explaining that last two zeros also, in case any number is with last two zeros, that number exactly divisible by 4. That is the rule for 4. Now rule for 5. What is the rule for 5? You all know that, easy thing. In case ones place digit means last digit, ones place digit means first place, ones place digit. See, ones place digit 0 or 5. If 0 also divisible by 5 or 5 also divisible by 5. Last digits, in case last digit is 0 or 5, then those numbers are divisible by 5. Without doing division, we can say whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Given number is divisible by 5 or not, we can say without division. How? By seeing last digit. Last digit is 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. Now we can say 205, last digit is 5, yes, it is this 205 is divisible by 5, yes, we can say exactly divisible. Now 325, last digit is 5, now exactly divides by 5, we can say. Now last digit is 0, now exactly divides by 5. Last digit is 5, now exactly divides by 5. By this what we can say, if last digit is 5 or 0, exactly divides by 5. Now rule for 6. Rule for 6. For this no separate here, for this no separate rule. Here this rule is depending on previous rules. What to say a number is divisible by 6, the number must be divisible by 2 and 3. To say it is any number is divisible by 6, there is no separate rule. It is depending on previous rules. What is that previous rules? Here a number is divisible by 6 in case that number is divisible by 2 and 3. That means what? We have to see first case and second case. First case what? First case here, see first case. Last digit is 0 or even divisible by 3. Divisible by 2. Last digit is 0 or even numbers divisible by 2. That should be possible, that should be happen. And also sum of digits, add digits, the sum must be divisible by 3. So here in case for 6, rule for 6 is that must be any number must be divisible by 2 and also 3. Shall we see example? Yes, see, can you say it is these numbers are divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. 186, is it divisible by 2? Yes. Why? It is last digit is even number. Here 492, is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Why? These all numbers are having last digit is even numbers. Now only 2 is not possible. Even 3 also must possible. Both must possible. Then only divisible by 6. 2 possible. 2 must divides. And also 3 also must divides, then only 6 divides. So now through 2 is divides all these. Why? Last digit even? No, even or 0. 2 divides. Now for check for 3. 1 plus 8 plus 6. Rule as per divisibility rule for 3, you know, add digits. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Yeah, 15 is divisible by 3 now. So then this number also divisible by 3. Yes, now we can say this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 3, then it divisible by 6. Any number divisible by 2 and also 3, then only that number divisible by 6. If anyone fails, then not possible by 6, not divisible by 6. Both must happen. What must divisible by 2, must divisible by 3, then only divisible by 6. So here number last even, so it is divisible by 2, and add the digits, you get 15. The 15 is divisible by 3, no? So this number is divisible by 3. Two conditions are accepted. What are the two conditions? Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Then automatically it also divisible by 6. What is the condition for 6? Once again repeating. Any number divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 2 and 3. So that is the rule for 6. That's all for now. Now in part B, I will explain remaining divisibility rules. Thank you.